just like her mommy and only 4 months old, snoring away and farting in her sleep.